Hello everyone, I'm Soumyadeep and I welcome you to Expertise. Today, I'm going to show you everything you need to get started with Microsoft Teams. You can get to Teams by opening any browser and then type in teams.microsoft.com. You can also find the link in the description. Here, you need to log into your business or educational account. Once you log in, you can get into Teams. You can use Teams by clicking on Use the web instead, but I would recommend getting the desktop app as it got more features and functionalities. Now that I've logged into my organizational account, on my left hand side, you can see there are many options available: Activity, Chat, Teams, Calendar, Calls, and Files. We're going to discuss about all of them in this video. The one that is most important and got most number of functionalities is Teams. So let's start with it first. This is where all the actions, collaboration, sharing, everything happens. Up here, you can see the number of teams that are assigned. Usually, each team involves different members, and your view of the teams that you see depend on your rights. At the bottom, you can see the option to join or create a team. So let's move ahead and create our own team. You get the options to create a team, join a team with a code, or get added to an existing team. Click on Create Team. Here, you get multiple options to choose from. In this case, I will choose from scratch. You can select your privacy here. So I will go with private. And then I will give my team a name. You can also add an emoji if you want. Just type in the shortcut key Windows plus dot. Type in the emoji that you want. Select it and then type in your team name. Once done, click on Create. That's it. Your new team is now created. Here, it will ask you to add any member if you want. So I will skip it as of now. You can see the team is added here. Inside a team, you have one or more channels. These are generally organized by topic. General is there by default, and we can use it as our main channel. But there are topics within the team that we want to keep separate. For that, we need to add new channel. Let's go to more options, select Add Channel, type in the channel name. Also, we can add an emoji as shown earlier by using Windows plus dot. Search your emoji, select it, type in the name. You can also add a description and select your privacy. Once done, click on Add. Now, if you're the team owner, you can add members in the team. Again, you have to go to more options, add a member, and we can search for people within your organization by just typing out their name, or also add guests by typing their email address. I'll just add a member in my team. Once done, click on Close. That's it. Your new member has been added to the team. Once you're in the channel, the main view is the post view. Here, you can see all the various conversations and reply to them. You can also give feedback in terms of emojis. There is an option to translate the message as well. Now, if you want to add new conversation, just click on New Conversation. Type your message. And for line breaks, use the shortcut key Shift plus Enter. If you would like to add more text and formatting, click on Format. In addition, you can add a subject to your message to give it a highlight. So let's give this a subject. You can also increase or decrease indents, add bulleted and numbered lists, quotes, and links. You also have the option to insert a table. If the message is important, you can mark it as important from here. You also have the ability to post in multiple channels. Just select Channels, choose the channel you want, and click on Update. By default, this message is shown as New Conversation. You can change that to announcements as well. Here we have the option to choose a color scheme or even background picture. Let's change it back to conversations. You can add mentions for specific people to make sure they remain notified as well. Just type in the name and select them. If you want all members are notified in a team, then add mention the channel name. And then click on send. To manage your channel notifications, go to more options, channel notifications, and you can either turn this off or customize it. You can also choose to pin this channel or any message that you want. Let's say we want to pin this message. So go to more options and select pin from here. To see all your pin items, go to the eye icon here. And you can see pin messages from here. When you select the message, it is going to take you to the original message. And if you want to unpin this message again, then just go to more options and select unpin from here. Now let's come down to the bottom. Along with format option, you got the option to attach a file, emojis, GIF, stickers, so we can create a meme from here. And then we have the option of stream. If you have previously recorded videos, we can send the link from it. Also, we have the option to send praise to people. Just select the praise, choose the people you want to send the praise. If you want, you can add a note, click on preview, and then click on send. Next, we have files. We can directly upload or download files and folders from here. Whenever you or other team members share documents in chat, you can see them from here. Any files you create here are automatically added to the SharePoint drive of this group. And as a result, we can collaborate live on a document here, and changes will be automatically saved. Also, I can have a conversation with one of my team members from this chat. Now, if you go to more options, you can see there's an option to download, delete, pin to top, or even rename. Next, we have Wiki. Wiki acts like a notebook. You can use it to save your informations. You can also customize your shared workspace by adding other apps. So here you see the list of apps. This is used to get all you need in one location. Now let's see how you can start a meeting or schedule a meeting. Click on Meet and then Join Now. Here, my interface is different because I'm using MS Teams over the web. You get the option to turn on and turn off your camera, your mic, and the option to share your screen. Click on here and then click on Desktop and you will be able to share your screen. You have multiple other options such as Start Recording and Show Background Effects. Once in a meeting, you also have the option to raise your hand. And also, you can chat from here. If you want to see the number of active participants, click on here and you will be able to see the participants. Once done, click on Hang Up to end the call. Now let's see how we can schedule a meeting. Click on the option Schedule a Meeting. Give a meeting a title. Add required attendees. Just type it out the name. Pick up your date and time. Now you have the option of repeat or one time. You can also pick between channels. You will get the list of options available to you. Once done, click on Send. It not only shows in the posts, but also on the calendar of other people added in this meeting. If you click on it, you can see the link of the meeting. And here you can find the option to cancel the meeting. Now let's look into activity. We can see the summary of what's going on from here. If there is a red circle, it means you have a new mention. Also, it shows if someone reacted to your message. You can look for more options to filter specific type of mentions. You can also filter by specific text by typing out it here. Using search box, you can search people by names. You can also send messages directly. Just add a mention, type in the name, and type in the message. Once done, click on send. You can see the message has now been sent. You can also pick up from a list of commands. Start with a backslash and then choose your command. Let's say you want to choose your availability status from available to DND. So select this option DND, and now you can see your status has been changed. Next we have the chat option. Here you can have one-to-one or group chats. To chat with someone you haven't chatted with yet, go to new chat or search from the box by typing in the name. Here we have same messaging options as seen before. You also get the video calling and the audio calling options. From files, you can see the list of files that has been shared. Now, if you don't want to get notifications of a particular chat, you can go to more options and mute this chat. You also have the option to hide this chat. Now, if you want to bring back the hidden chat, type the person's name and it is going to come back. Now, if you don't want others to know that you have read the message, go to settings, privacy, and turn off your read receipts. If you go to notifications, you can keep track of someone who is away and get notified when they appear online. Just click on edit, type in the name, and that's it. You have the option to change your availability status from here. Just click on your profile photo and you will get to see a list of options. You can also see your saved messages from here. If you go to the calendar option, it shows you all the meetings that you have throughout the day. And the calls option shows you the history of calls that you had. It also gives you the contacts list. Lastly, if you go to the files, you will be able to see all the recent files that you have been working on. That's it from today's video. Hope it helped you understand the functionalities of MS Teams. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in another video. Till then, have a nice time.